Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on an incredible journey to explore 10 lesser-known places in Madagascar. This island, a world unto itself, drifted from continental landmasses tens of millions of years ago, evolving in splendid isolation. It is a crucible of life, a living laboratory where evolution has sculpted creatures and landscapes found nowhere else on this earth. From the densest rainforests to the most arid spiny deserts, Madagascar cradles an unparalleled biodiversity, a treasure trove of natural wonders that continue to astonish and inspire. Our expedition today ventures beyond the familiar, seeking out the secret corners and whispered legends of this great red island. We shall delve into realms where nature's artistry is on full display, from colossal trees that have witnessed centuries pass, to intricate stone forests carved by time and elements. These are places that may not always feature on the grand itineraries, yet they hold the very essence of Madagascar's unique spirit. Prepare to witness landscapes that defy imagination and encounter wildlife so specialized, so extraordinary, that it challenges our understanding of life's adaptability. Join us as we uncover these hidden gems, each with its own story, its own magic. We will explore the delicate balance of these ecosystems and meet the remarkable inhabitants that call them home. This is a celebration of the wild, the rare, and the wonderfully strange. Make sure to stay till the end for some fun trivia questions, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your journey into the heart of Madagascar's untamed beauty begins now. Our first destination is Isalo National Park, a truly monumental landscape in the island's southwest. Here, time and erosion have collaborated to sculpt a breathtaking panorama from ancient sandstone. Vast plateaus give way to deep, winding canyons, their walls etched with the artistry of millennia. Towering rock formations, known locally as runiforms, stand like silent sentinels, their shapes evoking ruined cities and fantastical beasts. This is a domain of dramatic vistas, where the earth itself seems to breathe history. Each layer of rock a page in a geological epic stretching back to the Jurassic period. The air is often dry, the sun intense, yet life finds a way to flourish in this seemingly austere environment. Within these sculpted confines, a surprising diversity of life has taken hold. Hidden oases, fed by subterranean springs, nurture pockets of lush vegetation, starkly contrasting with the surrounding arid rock. These are vital refuges for wildlife, including several species of lemur such as the iconic ring-tailed lemur and the Verreaux's sifika, which navigate the crags with astonishing agility. Natural swimming pools, crystal clear and inviting, offer respite from the heat. Birdsong echoes through the canyons, a testament to the avian richness, while reptiles bask on sun-warmed stones. Isalo is not merely a collection of rocks, it is a vibrant, living ecosystem, a testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. We journey now to a place of almost mythical stature, the Avenue of the Baobabs. Along a simple dirt road in western Madagascar stand these magnificent trees, Adansonia grandidieri, colossal giants reaching towards the sky. Their massive cylindrical trunks, often described as looking like an upside-down tree with roots flailing in the air, are a unique spectacle. These are ancient beings, some having stood for over 800 years, silent witnesses to the changing world around them. They are endemic to Madagascar, a powerful symbol of the island's unique natural heritage, and hold deep cultural significance for the Malagasy people, often featuring in local legends and traditions. The true magic of the avenue reveals itself as the day draws to a close. As the sun dips towards the horizon, it bathes the landscape in a warm golden light, igniting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple. The Baobabs, silhouetted against this spectacular backdrop, create an unforgettable, almost spiritual scene. The air grows still, and a profound sense of peace descends upon the avenue. Photographers and travelers gather hushed to witness this daily miracle. It is a moment of pure, unadulterated beauty, where the grandeur of nature commands absolute reverence, a reminder of the timeless power and artistry of the natural world. Our next marvel is the Tsingy de Bemaraha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that presents one of the most extraordinary landscapes on Earth. The Malagasy word Tsingy translates aptly to where one cannot walk barefoot, and for good reason. This is a vast forest of limestone needles, sharp pinnacles and razor-edged ridges, sculpted over millions of years by rainwater eroding the karst plateau. The result is an immense natural fortress, a labyrinth of stone that appears almost impenetrable, an otherworldly vista stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a geological masterpiece, both formidable and fragile. Venturing into the Tsingy is an adventure in itself, a true test of one's spirit of exploration. Specially constructed aerial suspension bridges, via ferrata routes with cables and ladders, allow access into this otherwise inaccessible world. Hikers navigate through narrow canyons and across dizzying chasms, rewarded with breathtaking views at every turn. Yet this seemingly inhospitable environment teems with life. Unique species of plants have adapted to grow in the crevices, and a surprising array of animals, including 11 types of lemur, numerous bird species, and elusive reptiles like chameleons and geckos, have made this stone labyrinth their home, a hidden world thriving amidst the sharp spires. Nosy Mangabe, an island sanctuary. We now travel to the northeast, to the Bay of Antongil, where the small island of Nosy Mangabe lies shrouded in verdant rainforest. This is a special reserve, a jewel of biodiversity, protected for its incredible richness of flora and fauna. The island is cloaked in dense, humid primary forest where ancient trees reach for the sky, their branches laden with epiphytes and orchids. The air is thick with the sounds of the forest, the chorus of insects, the calls of unseen birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves. Nosy Mangabe has long been a sanctuary, not only for wildlife but also historically, with tales of it being a refuge for seafarers and a site of early European landings. It is here, under the cover of darkness, that one might hope to encounter one of Madagascar's most enigmatic creatures, the Eye. This nocturnal lemur, with its distinctive skeletal middle finger used for percussive foraging, is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. Nosy Mangabe was, in fact, one of the first places where eyes were translocated for their protection. Beyond this elusive primate, the island is home to white-fronted brown lemurs, numerous species of chameleons, geckos, and frogs, many of which are endemic to this specific region. Its isolation has made it a critical refuge, preserving species that are under threat on the mainland, a living ark in the vast Indian Ocean. Andasibe-Mantadia National Park, the Song of the Indri. Our journey takes us inland, to the montane rainforests of Andasibe-Mantadia National Park, a place renowned for its exceptional biodiversity, and most famously, for being the home of the Indri. This protected area comprises two distinct parts, the smaller Analamazeotra Special Reserve and the larger Mantadia National Park. Together, they protect a vast expanse of primary and secondary rainforest, a mosaic of habitats teeming with life. Giant tree ferns unfurl their fronds, myriad orchids cling to bark, and the forest floor is a carpet of mosses and fungi. It's a world of perpetual green, often shrouded in mist, creating an atmosphere of primeval enchantment. The true sovereign of Andasibe-Mantadia is the Indri, Madagascar's largest living lemur. With its striking black and white fur and teddy bear-like face, it is an endearing sight. But it is their voice that truly captivates. Early morning in these forests is often punctuated by the Indri's haunting, powerful calls, wailing songs that can travel for several kilometers, echoing through the canopy. These calls serve to mark territory and maintain contact within family groups. Besides the Indri, the park is a haven for numerous other lemur species, including the diademed Cephalica and the common brown lemur, as well as a dazzling array of birds, reptiles, and amphibians, making every trek a journey of discovery. Île Sainte-Marie whispers of pirates and paradise. We now venture off the northeast coast to Île Sainte-Marie or Nosy Mangabe, an island steeped in history and blessed with idyllic tropical beauty. Long, narrow, and fringed with palm trees, this island offers quintessential paradise scenes. pristine white sandy beaches lapped by calm turquoise waters. The pace of life here is wonderfully slow, inviting visitors to unwind and soak in the tranquil atmosphere. Beneath the waves, vibrant coral reefs teem with colorful fish, offering superb opportunities for snorkeling and diving, revealing another dimension of the island's natural wealth. Traditional pirogues glide silently across the lagoons, a timeless image of Malagasy coastal life. But Île Sainte-Marie holds more than just picturesque beaches. It possesses a unique and rather notorious history. For centuries, particularly during the 17th and 18th, this island was a favored hideout for pirates and buccaneers who plagued the Indian Ocean trade routes. The sheltered bays provided perfect anchorage, and the island's coves concealed their illicit activities. Today, a tangible link to this swashbuckling past can be found at the Pirate Cemetery, said to be the only one of its kind in the world. Weather-beaten gravestones, some adorned with skull and crossbones, lie nestled amongst overgrown vegetation, whispering tales of legendary figures like Captain Kidd and Thomas Tew, adding a layer of intrigue to this tropical haven. Our exploration continues southwards, into the mountainous region of Ranomafana National Park. The name Ranomafana itself means hot water in Malagasy, a direct reference to the natural thermal springs found within its borders, which have long been reputed for their therapeutic qualities. This park, established in 1991 primarily to protect the newly discovered golden bamboo lemur, encompasses a vast area of dense montane rainforest. Steep, mist-shrouded hillsides are covered in a rich tapestry of vegetation, and numerous streams and rivers cascade through the landscape, creating picturesque waterfalls and contributing to the park's vital watershed. Ranomafana is a veritable hotspot of biodiversity, home to an astonishing 12 species of lemur. Among them are the aforementioned golden bamboo lemur, whose diet consists almost exclusively of giant bamboo, and the Milne-Edwards sifaka, an acrobatic primate that leaps effortlessly through the canopy. The park is also a critical site for scientific research, with a dedicated research station, Centre Valbio, actively involved in studying and conserving this unique ecosystem. Beyond lemurs, the forest shelters a remarkable variety of chameleons, frogs, insects, and over 100 species of birds, many of which are endemic to Madagascar, making every venture into its depths a profound encounter with nature's creativity. Anja Community Reserve, harmony of people and nature. We now visit a place that tells a powerful story of conservation driven by local initiative, the Anja Community Reserve, nestled near the town of Ambalavao. This relatively small reserve is a shining example of how local communities can successfully manage and protect their natural heritage. Faced with deforestation and habitat loss, the local Betsaleo people decided to take action, setting aside this area to preserve its unique landscape and wildlife, and in doing so created a sustainable source of income through ecotourism. The reserve is characterized by impressive granite domes, interspersed with patches of forest, caves, and sacred ancestral tombs. The undisputed stars of Anja are its thriving population of ring-tailed lemurs. These charismatic primates, with their distinctive black and white striped tails, are remarkably habituated to human presence, allowing for wonderfully close and personal encounters. Visitors can observe them sunbathing on the rocks in their characteristic yoga-like pose, foraging for food, or leaping gracefully between boulders and trees. The reserve is also home to other fascinating creatures, including chameleons and various bird species. Anja is more than just a wildlife sanctuary. It is a testament to the profound connection between the Malagasy people and their land, a place where culture and conservation walk hand in hand. Masoala National Park, where rainforest meets the sea. Our penultimate destination is the magnificent Masoala National Park, located on the peninsula of the same name in Madagascar's northeast. This is the largest protected area on the island, a sprawling expanse of unparalleled biodiversity that truly encapsulates the phrase, rainforest meets the sea. Vast tracts of pristine primary rainforest, some of the most extensive remaining in Madagascar, tumble down steep slopes directly to the golden sands of secluded beaches and the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. This unique interface creates a rich mosaic of ecosystems, from montane cloud forests to coastal littoral forests, each brimming with specialized life. Masoala is a sanctuary for an incredible array of species, many of which are found nowhere else. It is one of the last strongholds for the striking red-ruffed lemur, whose vibrant calls echo through the dense canopy. The park also encompasses 3 marine reserves, Tampalo, Ambadaletri, and Ifaho, which protect vibrant coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangrove forests. These marine havens are home to a dazzling diversity of fish, sea turtles, and occasionally, dolphins and dugongs. Exploring Masoala can involve trekking through ancient forests, kayaking along serene coastlines, or snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, offering a complete immersion in one of Earth's most precious natural treasures. Lokobe National Park Secrets of the Sambirano. Our final hidden gem takes us to the island of Nosy Bay off the northwest coast to explore Lokobe National Park. Lokobe represents one of the last remaining fragments of primary Sambirano rainforest, a specific type of lowland rainforest characterized by its high humidity and unique floral composition, distinct from other forest types in Madagascar. This dense, ancient forest, covering the volcanic hills in the southeastern part of Nosy Be, is a sanctuary of tranquility and a vital refuge for species that depend on this particular ecosystem. Navigating its shaded trails, one feels enveloped by the sheer intensity of life, from towering trees to the smallest insects. Lokobe is particularly renowned for its population of black lemurs, Ulamur macaco. This species exhibits striking sexual dimorphism. The males are entirely black, while the females are a beautiful reddish-brown with distinctive white ear tufts. Observing these gentle creatures as they forage and move through the trees is a highlight of any visit. The park is also home to other fascinating wildlife, including the Nosy Be panther chameleon, various species of geckos, boas, and a rich amphibian fauna. And now for our trivia. The enduring wonder of Madagascar. Our journey through 10 of Madagascar's lesser-known wonders draws to a close. From the sculpted canyons of Isalo to the ancient rainforests of Lokobe, we have glimpsed but a fraction of the island's extraordinary natural heritage. Each location, with its unique geology and specialized inhabitants, tells a story of isolation, adaptation, and the sheer tenacity of life. These hidden gems are not just beautiful places, they are vital sanctuaries, irreplaceable archives of biodiversity that underscore the precious and often fragile nature of our planet's ecosystems. We hope this exploration has ignited a sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the incredible island of Madagascar. The answers to our trivia: around 90% of Madagascar's wildlife is endemic, and the Malagasy name for the Indri is Babakodo. These places remind us that there is still so much to discover, so much to protect. Supporting responsible tourism and conservation efforts can help ensure that these unique environments and their remarkable creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. The spirit of Madagascar, wild and resilient, is a treasure for the entire world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Your support helps us bring more of these incredible stories to you. We look forward to sharing new adventures with you. See you next time.